This is a prototype electric bus that's coming from Turkey, manufactured in Turkey. B&W engineering in it for their inverter system and drive system. They have 2 electric compressors on the system. One compressor is just dedicated to cooling off the batteries in the back. The other system is for the front and passengers in the back. Now, they only left me this much room to crawl on. So my pinky and my thumb is even higher. So thank God I'm thin enough to get under here. So this is a prototype. So they were not thinking of somebody working on it. And there's where your hand has to get up. And as you can see here, high voltage extension cord. This is nothing more than extension cord. And then my low side fitting is located way to hell back there, where your hand could barely get up. It only lost 60 grams since it was shipped over here, so it has miles of rubber hose everywhere.
It's a big pain in the butt.
And then the front system had a loss, and this was where the leakage was. And this is a little easier to get to. So I have another Sanden electric compressor here. As you can see, you need to get one on before you can tighten down the other, because there's definitely no room again. And we have what looks like the Home Depot the Home Depot extension cord again. Okay, and this one had a leak up above, and had a set of analog gauges here, and you couldn't see it on the analog gauges that very well, but on the digital gauges they could read tenths of a psi. And that's how I said you definitely have a leak. And then here's from the front system, and this is where the leak was. Just hand tight loose. And this is for the rear passenger. Two coils. And that's it on this one until I charge it up, and we'll see if it leaks.